Hello everyone, RF Design here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Pagani Zonda R. Number 7 out of 10 from Hotwheels Exotics, number 215 over 250 from all of the cars in 2022. Let's go ahead and open this up. So basically, this car is available in the N and P case 2022, and by the way, this is the first version of the Zonda R, which of course it's gonna release in its stock color, of course, which I have a thing to say about the color. I mean, like, it's not specifically the original color, I mean the type of color they use, I mean the type of texture they use. So the original thing, the real life car, uses a carbon fiber paint job, whereas this one uses a matte black paint job, which I don't really have anything to say about the paint job. I mean, like, maybe always trying to save or something, they used matte black instead of like metallic black, or maybe even use like Mini GT's carbon fiber texture, who knows. But it's here in matte black, and yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. Basically, this car is the race car version of the normal Pagani Zonda, which a classic hypercar back in the year 2000s, 2010s. And here it is, the Pagani Zonda R. Looks pretty magnificent from the side. You have that one strip to the front. I mean, there it is. I think it's in more of like an orange, or is it? Hold on. I'd say it's like an orange-ish yellow. Right there. Orangey yellow type of color. And you have the Zonda R on the side right there at the door. I think this has butterfly wing doors, if I'm not mistaken. The rims are nice. I like that they use the chrome gold rims for this car. Looks pretty good. Moving on to the front. So they didn't paint the headlights. I don't know why. Maybe because it's too small to paint it. I don't know. Then you have some green stripes there. Some white stripes on the roof. And some red stripes near to the back, which kind of resembles an Italian flag, to be honest. I don't know. You have some air intakes on the front. You have that massive front bumper there. Looks pretty insane. Oh yeah, in this car, in real life, of course, the engine's at the back and it's way massive. If you were to repair it or anything, you would have to open up the whole thing just to get over to the engine, which quite crazy. There's that rear spoiler, which is quite massive. Pretty nice. Oh yeah, there's something on the rear spoiler. What is it? Pagani on the rear spoiler. Hold on. Show you. There it is. Pagani in white. And then, well, nothing on the back really. It has that 4 exhaust pipes in the middle, of course. What Pagani likes to do is they like to put their exhaust pipes in the middle in black. I mean, they're like 4 in the middle. Yeah, no real lights, of course. There are some diffusers though at the bottom. It's pretty insane. Here's the base, of course, in plastic, and it's also in black. Pagani Zonda R, made in Malaysia, 2021 Mattel. So basically, if you see this casting in stores, I recommend you to quickly pick it up because this is quite a hot item actually. Because of course, one, it's a Pagani, and then two, it's a Zonda R. I mean, if it's the Zonda R in real life, it would be crazy because there are only few of these made. I'm not sure how many of them. I mean, I know it's like below 100, but I'm not sure. Or maybe was it 50? I'm not sure. But and there are not a lot of Zonda Rs produced in real life, but you can get this in Hot Wheels version, which would be a hot item basically. And yeah, I think you should get this casting. If not, then you just leave it and just go away. There you go, that is it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you on my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.